In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF to your Godaddy website. Whether you want to share a brochure, menu, ebook, form, or downloadable document, adding a PDF to your site is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Godaddy website. Once the home page loads, click the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your Godaddy account credentials and log in to your dashboard. After signing in successfully, you'll have access to all your websites and products. From here, locate the My Product section and find the website where you want to add the PDF. Next, click the Edit Website button. This will open the Godaddy Website Builder editor where you can customize your website pages and content. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want the PDF to appear. Now look for the Add Section button or the plus icon inside the editor and click on it. A list of available sections will appear. In the search bar, type PDF to quickly find relevant options. Look for a section called PDF Viewer, File Download, or something similar depending on the current Godaddy layout. Select the PDF section and click Add. The new PDF section will now appear on your page. Next, click Upload File or select PDF and choose the PDF document from your computer or device. Wait a few moments while the file uploads completely. Once the upload finishes, you may be able to customize the display settings such as the title, button text, preview layout, or download options. After making your adjustments, preview the page to make sure the PDF displays correctly and opens properly for visitors. If everything looks good, click Publish or Update Website to make the PDF live on your website. Visitors will now be able to view or download the PDF directly from your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF to your Godaddy website. Thanks for watching and goodbye.